Sometimes, we wait patiently. We ignore what's right in front of us. We believe in the impossible. But sometimes, we miss what matters most, only to regret it later. You deserve more than waiting, hoping, or missing out. And Uteach knows it. What if your dream of growth is right here, waiting for you? Imagine having a branded website, a branded mobile app, and all the coaching tools you need, all set up for you. You can also enjoy a consultation with our experts to guide you every step of the way. The missed opportunities will scare you. But the price for all this value won't. Don't let another opportunity slip through your fingers. With Uteach, the chance to grow is just a click away and too good to miss. Click now and see for yourself. This time, don't wait.